Hello everyone, I hope you all had a great Mother's Day weekend. Welcome back to my page. In today's video, we're gonna make this delicious braised chicken, so stay tuned. I have here my legs and thighs. You can choose to keep the skin on if you want. I chose to take mine off, and I am gonna go ahead and rinse them thoroughly. After rinsing, I'm gonna add some olive oil just so that the seasoning can adhere to the chicken. Now I have some of Racquel's spice. I'm gonna use that, and this is her jerk seasoning. Feel free to go ahead and use your preferred seasoning. You don't have to find the exact one that I'm using. I'm also adding some more jerk seasoning from a different brand, and I have here some sweet Spanish paprika. Use whatever paprika you have. Now for the spice, I'm adding cayenne pepper and some red pepper flakes. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna massage the seasoning in, making sure that both side is properly seasoned. If you need to flip it and sprinkle on some on the other side, feel free to go ahead and do that. Now we're gonna put our chicken to marinate until Sunday morning. And just ensure that the next day you remove it so that it can go down to room temperature before you start your cooking process. Now to my heated pan, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. Make sure that your oil is well hot before adding the chicken. Sear the chicken on both sides for at least 3 minutes, and then you're going to remove it. Once it looks golden brown like this, like it's cooked but you know the inside is still raw, you're going to remove it and place it in a container. Now you're going to remove the excess oil. So I melted 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to saute all my vegetables. I will also add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm going to allow the tomato paste to fry up in the butter with the veggies, and I'm also adding 2 bay leaves in there for added flavor. After 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and deglaze the pot with some white wine. If you don't have it, you can skip this step. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some chicken broth. This is a homemade chicken broth. You can just use a store-bought one. If you don't have any at all, just use water. Alright, now I'm gonna add some honey, and I'm also gonna add some hot pepper sauce. This is optional. You can add less or more depending on your spice level. We're just balancing out flavors. Alright, so now I'm adding in some ketchup to help give the sauce some body, and I'm gonna add my vegetables. And before I add my chicken to this, I am gonna make sure that it is suitable to my liking. You want to taste your sauce before adding your chicken to the pot. Alright, so I just added my scallion and thyme, and we're gonna go ahead, taste it, and then we're gonna add the sauce to the chicken. Alright, we're gonna put it in the oven to braise slowly until everything is properly cooked. My oven was already preheated at 350, and I'm gonna cover it for the first 10 minutes, pop it in the oven. And as you can see, my chicken wasn't submerged into the gravy because of the size container I was using. So what you can do, if you have the same problem as me, you can flip them around, put the ones that were at the bottom to the top. Alright, so I pop it back in the oven without the cover so that the chicken can get a nice color on the top, and it's all done. It was so juicy. We had it that same Sunday with the curry goat belly, and everything was just super delicious. I will leave the list of all the ingredients in the comment section, and if you haven't seen the curried goat belly and rice and peas, you can go ahead and check out that previous video from last week Sunday. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I mean, you could have easily scrolled by, but you choose to click on my video, and I really appreciate that. Alright, do have yourself a productive week, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and share the video with a friend or family. And please go ahead and click the link for my Amazon storefront. All the stuff that I bought from Amazon that I use in my videos, you will find them there, along with skincare products, makeup, and other personal items that I use that I bought on Amazon. Alright, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your week.